It's a 2023 Ford Explorer ST. We're gonna go ahead and remove these rear mufflers back here. He wants to put some Flowmaster Outlaws in there. And we're gonna be removing this double in, double out resonator. We're gonna put an X pipe in there, a couple of the Flowmaster Outlaws. Finish it up with some nice tips. I'll probably show you when I put it together, but so pretty much a couple of those tips there. Those look pretty nice. All right. All right, so there's the mufflers that we took off. And there's a double in, double out resonator we took off. Got the X pipe installed. He put the short Flowmaster Outlaws in here, the S versions. So we're gonna let this thing down. We'll see what she sounds like. All right, so it's a 23 Explorer ST. Flowmaster Outlaws in the back. X pipe in the middle. Nice black tips we put on there. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like.